In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a new customer in Wave accounting. Whether you're new to Wave or just looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will make the process of adding a new customer straightforward and efficient. To get started, you'll first need to navigate to the Sales and Payments section of your Wave accounting dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your customer interactions, including invoicing and payments. Once you're in the Sales and Payments area, look for the option labeled Invoices. Click on it and you'll be taken to the section where all your invoices are managed. Now, we need to create a new invoice to add a customer. Click on Create an Invoice. This step is key because it allows you to integrate customer details directly into your invoicing process, making it easier to manage billing and payments. Once you've clicked Create an Invoice, you'll see the invoice framework layout open up, ready for you to populate with details. At the top left corner of this layout, you'll notice a button that says Add a Customer. Go ahead and click on that. This will open a drop-down menu with a list of any existing customers you've already added. But since we're here to create a new customer, scroll all the way to the bottom of this drop-down menu. You'll find an option that says Create a New Customer. Click on it, and a pop-up dialog box will appear. This dialog box is where you'll enter the core details for your new customer. You'll want to make sure you have all the necessary information handy, like the customer's name, email address, and any other contact information you might need for billing purposes. You'll also notice that within this pop-up, there are internal tabs specifically for billing and shipping data. These tabs allow you to enter separate addresses if your customer has distinct billing and shipping locations, which is especially useful for businesses that need to manage logistical details. Take your time filling in these details accurately. The more precise the information, the smoother your transactions and communications will be with your customer. Once you've entered all the necessary details, look for the Save button. Clicking this will save the customer's information and drop it directly into your invoice layout. This integration ensures that all future invoices to this customer are streamlined, reducing the need for repeated data entry and minimizing errors. And that's it. You've successfully added a new customer in Wave accounting. By following these steps, you'll have a well-organized system for managing customer data, making it easier to track invoices and payments. Remember, keeping your customer information up to date is vital for efficient business operations. So take a moment to review and update customer details whenever necessary. Thanks for watching. I hope this guide has been helpful in showing you how to add a new customer in Wave accounting. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy accounting!